Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I am back with a haul video. So I had gone to a different Dollar Tree. This one was the Dollar Tree near my sister's. I was in that area and I was able to go in for a little bit. And this Dollar Tree is much bigger than the one near me. And so I was able to find all the items that I had been looking for. So first of all, I told you guys I was looking for twine and I couldn't find it at my Dollar Tree. Like, I had gone there a couple of times. Anyway, I was looking for the jute twine and here you go. They had a bunch at that Dollar Tree that I went to. So 3 rolls, which is such a bargain for $1. So these are a little bit thinner than the ones I got at Michael's, which is great because then, you know, I don't have to go returning this. And this was not such a bad deal. This was $2 anyway, right? The one I showed you guys, and it is thicker. So I do like the variety because sometimes I do, like if I'm making bows, I like the smaller one, like the thinner ones. And then, you know, if I'm making, like I'm just wrapping it around something like a jar or, you know, for wrapping, I do like the thicker, of course. So I got that. And then I thought I might as well grab this one as well. And this one's just a little bit different. I think this jute twine, first of all, the color is different. And it's almost as thick as this one, but I think it's still thinner, but thicker than the other twine. One of the things that I was looking for were they're wind chimes, but I basically wanted to get it for this windmill, I guess. Is it a windmill? I think it's so cute, and I saw somebody do a DIY with this, and I thought it was just the cutest thing, and I thought, you know, let me go look for that at my Dollar Tree. Never found it at my Dollar Tree, but this one, they had a bunch, and they just had even 2 different types of finish on it. This one, it has the black distressing on it. The other one, I think there was one that had kind of a bluish tinge to it. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to look like patina or something. But yeah, so I'm probably going to remove this chiming part here. And I don't know, we'll see what I do with it. But I like it so much, and I think it's, you know, you can create so many different projects with it. You can put it like on a wall hanging, or you can take it apart and use it for stuff. So let's see, this one is a little bit different. It does have a welcome sign on it, so it's really cute. I mean, I could even do this to put this on a wreath, maybe in the middle of a wreath. We'll see. But I this one here too, and I thought it was really cute. It also says welcome, but it has this huge sunflower. And this one, the last time I got a flower, it didn't look that great, but this one looked really pretty. So I could always just use the flower by itself. I did need some more of the Excelsior, so I did pick that up. And then I found it in the mossy green color. And I really like that. I like that it looks like grass. So I went ahead and got that as well. And then another thing that I was looking for that I kept forgetting to get at the Dollar Tree. And I don't know if my Dollar Tree had it, but I did want to get the grapevine wreaths. So, or actually it says bamboo. I love it. This one is a smaller one, which is, I don't know if this is like 9-inch. Oh, 12-inch, sorry. This is a 12-inch one, and then this is a bigger one here, and this one is, oh, this one says 12-inch too, but I don't know. This looks more like a 12-inch, and this looks like a 8 or 9-inch to me. But I thought I would just go ahead and grab that because it's always good to have. And I hadn't seen these at my Dollar Tree. These are small, and it does come in 2. And this is the 8-inch, and I thought it'd be great to just have on hand. This before, but I never did pick it up. But I like the size of the sign, so if I don't use it as this welcome sign, which is really cute, I really love the peeps in this one, but it is very colorful. But I know I could always use the back for last time I was at my Dollar Tree. I did not find it. I'm not really going to use it. They're felt bunny. It's a felt bunny garland with pom-poms. I do like the pom-poms, and I just like the bunny shape. I love that the ear is going down like this in one of them, and I thought I would use this to trace to do like another project. So we'll see if I get to that, but I definitely did want that bunny. I didn't see this at my Dollar Tree either, and look, you guys, it is a photo frame and it's so beautiful. And I've seen someone do a DIY and paint this, and I definitely want to do that. But I think they used a different kind. I think it was this one right here, and I did find this one as well. But I love it. I love photo frames, and this is a nice size to have. And of course I'm gonna paint it, but yay, I scored on this one too, so I was super happy to find that. So I did pick up a couple. They had a bunch, and then I picked up 2 of the oval shaped one, and they're so ornate. I love frames like this. I've also been seeing people use little cubes, or those longer ones like those Jenga, you know. I didn't find the longer ones, but I did find these, so I thought, you know, this is also good to have in your stash, especially if you're like doing a riser or something like that, like if you're doing like a little plant riser. I've seen people use these as feet, and so I thought I'd go ahead and grab this. The thing that I saw at the Easter section was this cute little tic-tac-toe game. I thought it was just so adorable, and I didn't really get it for the tic-tac-toe game, but I thought that would be another cute DIY. And then I saw this in the spring section, adhesive diamond wrap, and I hadn't seen these colors or the butterflies. So, and I do like getting these. I did get some, like, they always have them on different holidays. Anyway, I saw these and I thought these were so cute. I have lanterns, but nothing like these teeny tiny ones. And look, you guys, they light up. Isn't that cute? So I thought, oh my gosh, that is a great little, you know, I can put some flowers or something on this. This is like one of those really easy DIY projects. So I went ahead and got it. I got several of them. I finally did find my lavender, you guys. I was super, super happy. But before I show you that, I did get some more of the grass, the onion grass, which are really great fillers. I just absolutely love the wisteria, and I did get this in purple, and I found white, so I went ahead and got that. So I got a couple of bunches of those. And then I saw these onion grass, and look how adorable. They have these very nice looking eggs, and I got the yellow eggs. I just thought they were so pretty. I think this is gonna look great in my kitchen. This one is called the Spike. It's called the Spike. I don't know, but I just thought they were really pretty. I did get this one. I thought that's really nice too, to mix up with your other flowers. And I also found that one in white. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm just like building up my flower stash, and that particular store had the baby's breath, which sometimes I cannot find at my store, so I went ahead because these look really nice with roses. And then they also had heather, which I thought was super pretty. I just love it so much. I finally found the lavender. Oh my goodness, you guys, I totally had to dig through to find these. Like, seriously, I was in that section for a while, and I don't know why these were like hidden all the way inside I seriously had to go through the flowers to get these, and they were in like different areas, and so I was just in search of them, and I couldn't just get one. So when I found another one, I grabbed it, and then I found one more. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna grab it because these are fun to put in little pots. And yeah, so I grabbed those two. So I was super duper happy. I think I actually grabbed another bunch. So I think I grabbed like 4 bunches of those. And then on one of the top shelves, I found this cute galvanized, and it already had the roping on top. And I have a project for this one. Really, really pretty. Then I was so surprised to find this, you guys. They're on the very bottom shelf. I think it was where candles were or other things. Look what I found. Oh my gosh. I thought this was so adorable. It was there and I didn't see any other. And it looks like you can put a tea light inside. And wouldn't this look good in one of those tiered trays? Oh my goodness. So, I mean, it's not in the best condition. Like, as you can see, a little bit of paint is missing right here, but I could totally repaint this, but I probably won't. And as you can see here, you know, look at the heart. It's not even like a nice, you know, even looking heart, but I think it's so cute. It's, I don't know, it just has this kind of whimsical look to it. And then in another section, I found this one, and it says Home Sweet Home. So I thought, oh my gosh, this was like my favorite find. I mean, aside from the things that I was looking for that I knew I had to have, this was like the surprise find. So I did grab them. I thought they're gonna look so cute with some tea lights in there, and I can put it on top of my tiered tray. Like I said, I have a couple of, they're more like tiered plates, I guess, but I do have a couple more to decorate. I need to put one in my craft room once I clean it up. I also found this cute little truck, and I don't know why I didn't grab 2 of them. I probably should have, but I didn't. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. So I thought I would go ahead and grab that too. They had a few of these, a lot of these. So I mean, you only get 6 in a pack. So I did stock up on those too. Because of course, if I'm making another tiered tray, I need more eggs. So I think I grabbed, I don't know, I might have grabbed another one, but since they had a lot over there, then I found this goldfinch decoration. Well, whatever, it's a little yellow bird. And they had different colors as well. Really happy I found some painter's tape, so that is going to be really useful when I do some painting. And then I found this cute little greenery bouquet, and the reason I got it is I really love the greenery. I like the greenery on this one. Oh my gosh, I was so happy to find this one too. They are so pretty, and it's already in a little itty bitty pot. I was looking for at least a couple of more of these, but I was so sad that I didn't find another one. Like, this was the only one. And then they had other little potted ones, but they weren't in burlap. And there were Gerbers, I think, the ones I saw. So this was the only lonely little lavender plant there. But I figured it's okay because I bought that bunch of lavender anyway, and I can totally repot it or put it in a pot. So I did grab this one right here. Did grab another one of these salted butter toffee candle because I absolutely love the container. Then, speaking of potted plants, they also had these cute little succulents. How adorable is this? Found these coasters, and I just really loved what it says. This home is filled with love. I thought that was so pretty. I love the background, and I just wanted them. You know, we can use them. And look, they have the cork on the bottom. So I did grab 4 of those. And the last thing I did get is this planter. Now I can just do my DIYs and I will be happy. So I hope you guys have an awesome week. Talk to you guys later. Bye!